How to buy games on Epic Games. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy games on Epic Games. To buy games on Epic Games is very simple. Just watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Epic Games account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the stores page automatically, where you can see a number of games to get, to install, to purchase. Now to buy games, just scroll down and then select the games you would like, or the game you would like to buy. After selecting the game, you'll be redirected to a page where you would see details about the game. But first of all, wait for it to load. Once that's loaded, this is how the game looks like and details about the game. To watch a video of the game, you can just click on this play icon and then you can watch more about the game. If not, you can just move to the right side of the screen and then click on the buy now. Alright, after clicking on the buy now, it should load and then the order or your order would be processed. Once your order is done processing, this is how the checkout page looks like. All right, you can use your Epic Rewards to pay. That is if you have Epic Rewards, or you can use your wallet balance to pay. That is if you have money in your wallet. And then the other payment method include credit card or PayPal. So to use credit card, you can just click on the box or the circle next to credit card, and then once you click on it, you'll be asked to enter in your card details. All right, enter the card number, the expiration date, the CVC, and then if you want to save the payment method for future purchases. If you want to use PayPal, select PayPal as well, and then you'll be asked if you want to save it for future purposes. Click OK and then click on place order, and then if it's your credit card you used, the money will be deducted from your account immediately you click on place order. But if it's PayPal, you'll be directed to another page on your PayPal where you'll be asked to input some details. Go ahead, follow the instructions, and then just like that, that particular game will be purchased. So this is how you can buy games on Epic Games. You can do this for all other games that you would like to buy on your Epic Games account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.